Oh my God, look at these wet dogs. Had some thunderstorms today. Look at you, you scraggly looking thing. Look at you. And look at you, Arnold. All right. Oh, Jeezy whiz, you're a mess. There you go. Oh, there's Arnold. Here you go, Arnold. You are a mess, Wilson. But I love you just the same. Here you go, Arnold. Oh, you're still eating that one. There you go, Wilson. Look at you. Scraggly, raggedy hand, you. There you go. All right, Wilson. You know, there is such thing as... Here, Wilson. Arnold, get that. And Wilson, you get that. There is such thing as, seeking shelter. What do you think about that? All right, one more. One more for your buddy. And then you're out of here. One more for you. One more for you. All right, grab that one. Come on, grab that one. All right. All right, guys. Try to stay dry and warm. My good dog, Wilson, and my bad dog, Arnold. You guys are a mess.